Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cubish World, and today I'll show you how to solve the gear cube. First I'm telling you about its pieces. These four are known as the corner pieces. These four are known as the edge pieces, and this is known as the center piece. These edge pieces are also known as the gears. They are called gears because they are tilting while you will move the cube like this. Because they are tilting, that is why they are called gears. Now I am telling you how to solve it. For solving it we have only 3 steps. It is very simple puzzle. There is 1, 2, 3 and 4 corner piece. First we will place this 4 corner piece. First we will place of all 6 sides. Then we will place the gears, these 4 pieces or the edge pieces, and then we will orient the gears. If they would be like this at their place, so we will orient them, so our cube will be solved. Now I am telling you some notations. If we will move this layer clockwise, we will tell U, and if we will move it anti-clockwise, we will tell U prime. If we will move this layer clockwise, we will tell R, and if we will move it anti-clockwise, we will tell R prime. So let's start by scrambling. So our cube is scrambled. Now we will place the corners first. For that, take any center piece and take here one edge piece, corner piece. Like this we are taking here red. See, here all corners are placed, but they are placed wrongly. See, here red and green, and here red and blue is there, but here red and green will come. Here red and yellow will come, and here red and blue will come. For that we will take one layer downside, only this layer left. Now we have to place here red and blue, so we will take red and blue here. Because we want to place here, we will take red and blue downside here. See, red and blue is here only, so we will take it up. So see, here pair came, red blue, red blue, red and blue pair came. Now we will match this 2 with its center piece, so automatically the other 2 pieces will also match. See, like this. Now see, one speciality of gear cube is that if we will solve this part, so opposite part will automatically solve, like this. See, orange is also solved. Now here 2 purple are there, so match purple with purple. So our first step is completed for placing the corners. Now before starting the second step, I am telling you one thing. Now for solving the second step, I am telling, listen, this 1, 2 and 3 layers are known as the rings. This one, this is second ring, and this is third ring. So first we will place any one side, from any one side the edge piece, so the whole ring will be solved. See, I am showing you. First see which color is opposite. Here see, blue and orange will come here, and blue and red will come here. So see, they both are opposite. So for that, do this trick. U R2, U R2. Now see, blue and red came on its place, and blue and orange also came on its place. Now see, red and green, red and blue, orange green, green red, blue orange, red blue. So see, first ring is solved. Now from second ring, here purple and red place is here, and purple and orange place is here. So follow that algorithm. U R2, U R2. So see, this ring is also solved. Now third ring, which is this, we will solve it. See here, yellow and green's place is here, and yellow and blue places here. Follow that same algorithm. U R2 U R2. So our second step is also completed. Now last step is to orient our case. For that only two tricks are there. First you have to see the piece, that the left color is downer color or the upper color. See here it's downer color. So we will move up 4 times. See, 1 2 3 4. So see, it is placed. Now in the ring 2 it is also upside, so do 4 times down. Now the last ring it is upside, so we'll do down 4 times. So see, our gear cube is solved. If you like my video, so please like it and please subscribe my channel.